In this unboxing video, I want to show you what's included with the Krunia 7-inch Apple CarPlay or Android Auto display. So over here we have the display itself. This is how it looks. If we turn it on the other side, we have the mounting port. And if we go right over here, we're going to have all the different inputs and outputs. It comes included with a manual to set it up with this mount. So this goes on the back of the display, and the other side has a sticky side that you can stick on the dash of your car, even vertically or horizontally. But you're not obligated to use this mount. They also give you this suction cup that you can place on the top of your dash, and you see it has a hinge over here and another hinge over here to place it exactly how you want. You're going to put the display over here. If you don't like the suction cup because maybe it's not great for the dash, or maybe you don't want to put it on your windshield, they also give you one of these sticky pad that can be used to place it on your dash, and then you place the suction cup on it, and it's supposed to be more stable this way. Otherwise, to provide power to the display, they give you this adapter that plugs in your car. And the great news is that you also have a USB port over here. So if you want to connect, let's say, another device to charge your phone while driving, you can do this by connecting a cable over there. Otherwise, the cable is pretty long. It's a USB Type-C cable, so you'll be able to fish this no matter where your charging port inside of the car is located. And then we have a audio cable, 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. If you prefer connecting the display to your car using one of these, maybe your car has a audio jack. Otherwise, you can also send the audio from it using Bluetooth or even to a radio station. So you're, again, not obligated to use this cable to get the audio from this device in your car speakers. But otherwise, this is all that is included in the box.